today we are going to open the Mavic Pro.
Yeah, so we
It's
just
awesome.
bought a new stuff on sale. This
Yeah.
is the Mavic Pro.
Yeah, and this is the last one.
Yeah, so we are really lucky because we got
Yeah.
this Mavic Pro
And it's the last one.
Fly More Combo Platinum.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go unbox it now.
Yeah, and it's super easy.
Okay,
You just
so
open the white stuff on top.
Okay, so how?
Yes, like this.
All right.
You
So,
guys.
yeah, so this is how we
So
open
cool, right?
the box here. Okay, so before we open the inside, so this is basically the outer box where you can see like a cool
And here is
picture.
the inside of the outer box.
There's nothing inside the outer box. And then, okay, now
Yeah.
let's go and open this. Right, so it's like
This way
this.
after.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we just open the outer box. Now we are going to open
and here's
the
inside of the outer box.
yeah, okay,
And
so yeah,
there's nothing.
there's nothing. Now we are going to open this black box here and see what's inside. Okay,
Voila!
voila, wow.
And here's the backpack.
Okay, so what's inside? And now the first thing is this
Backpack.
very cool backpack, and later we will see what's inside it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
And here is the drone.
Oh, it's so cool, right, you guys?
Yeah,
And
so
let's meet the.
let's take it out and see.
And it doesn't
Yeah,
have a
so-
camera.
This is the Mavic Pro Platinum,
Yeah, and
Yeah.
here's the.
and then there's like there's this, you got this protector for the lenses, and this is where you can like you can like open it up and just like move the propeller
Yeah.
like this,
Yeah.
right?
So cool, right?
So cool, yeah. So you move it like this
Yeah.
and you move it like this.
Yeah.
So there you go,
And
the
there is also
the drone. Okay, so there's actually two more battery pack here. You got one,
And another one.
Yeah.
This two.
and there's another one. So you got two backup battery pack. Okay.
And this,
Okay.
there is also one
Yeah. So there's already one in the
drone.
drone. Okay. So now let's get rid of this box and see what's inside the backpack. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Get it. Okay, I'm going to check in the backpack.
Okay. Now let's see what's inside here. Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay. So
Huh?
you know how to open it. Okay. Okay. So here on the front part of the backpack,
There is this.
yeah. So there is actually
More.
like
More.
the propeller.
More propellers.
More propellers. We have like how many?
1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We got eight
4 and 5.
eight propeller for the backup. See, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
And then.
what else inside here?
Is
Okay, so you have this like a booklet for the instruction.
yeah, and here is the.
This is the strap,
Yeah.
so that you can put it on the backpack, and
Everything.
yeah, and then you can
And here is the charger.
put it on your shoulder. And this is like the USB
Yeah.
cable here. Got the USB cable here. And what else?
This is
Okay, so this is the controller, the remote control. Yeah.
that you can.
Yeah. So this is to control the drone. Here we put it here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what else?
There is more.
Okay, this is the charging dock. So basically, you can charge.
But they're not charging.
Yeah, so you can charge
Because
the battery here. Like you can charge all of them at once. So like this.
yeah.
So you can put it like this. Cool, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, and is there anything else here? Oh, okay. Now this is actually a connector that you can plug on your battery and use it as a power bank. So you can put it like this, and then there you go. You have like two USB dock USB place here.
And this is so awesome because you bring it out and the battery is gone, and then you can just use this.
Yeah, and then you can charge your phone, yeah, or other stuff using this.
And there is
Okay.
also something else.
Okay, so this is the charging dock, the
Cute.
charging adapters. Yeah, the charger adapter. This one is for the car, Hannah.
Oh,
So you can see that this is like you can plug it into the
there is another one.
lighter, and this is the usual stuff that you can put on the. This is to connect to the power outlet. See? Okay. Anything else, Hannah? Inside here? Oh, there's still here. Okay. So like on top of that, I think there are some stuff here.
Oh,
This is where you can put the like memory card or something.
no, this
Oh,
is
this is like the receipt that we buy. And how about this? How about this? Oh, yeah, this is like a dongle, right? So you can actually you use this to connect the controller to your phone.
Yeah,
right?
so you can open it. I'm gonna
Yeah,
open it.
slowly. You can open it slowly. See, like this is for maybe for your.
So good, you guys.
So this is maybe for your phone that use regular micro USB,
Yeah.
maybe Android phone, right? And that one that Hannah is holding is actually what is it? It's actually for controller for USB-C.
Yeah.
See, if you use like the iPhone 8 or the newest iPhone or iPhone X, iPhone 10,
Or iPhone,
Then-
Apple, iPhone.
yeah, and then you will need this to connect to the USB-C. Okay, so I think let's put it back in so we're not losing it.
Yeah, on the
Okay.
backpack, that's
Yeah,
fair on the
cool.
back.
Okay, so I think that's all that we have inside this backpack. So this is it, the whole stuff that we have
Da-da-da-da. Voila!
from the Mavic Pro Platinum Fly More combo.
Can you please get this out?
Yeah, okay, let's get this. Okay, now.
Can you please also get this out?
Okay, yeah. So there you go.
Yep.
Everything we have on the Mavic Pro.
Yeah, it's so
Drone.
many, right?
There's so many stuff in here.
Yeah.
So this is it. Yeah, you can see that this is the packaging. This is what inside it. Okay. So I think that's it.
Okay.
Thank you very much for
For
watching.
watching, yeah.
Yeah, so next we are going to try this out, the Mavic Pro, and get some cool shots.
Yeah.
And we will show it to you.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay, so that's it.
Bye guys. And
Don't forget
don't
to
forget to subscribe to the like button below.
don't forget to subscribe and click the like button.
Click the like button below.
And we're going to see you on another
Next video.
video. Okay. Bye.
This is so awesome, right?
Yeah.